of the house. We are starting to cook a pork grill. See, this is our preparing marinated food for today. It's already mixed by flour, salt, ketchup, toyamansi. See, it's soy sauce with a little bit lime juice. Okay, we start to preparing now for the our vlog tonight. Today, this afternoon around 2 or 3 p.m. Okay, first I to do, I will reheat the golden grill. Reheat first. So this is my style. So up the bottom and both side or on the top, each block is really cooked. So it's already. So it now. We're going back to the position by using torque. Okay. So here guys, with some little bit spreading oil, with mixing ketchup, something other ingredients. So we can start now how to cook. Really starting by a big part. So the space, it's nice. It's for lunch in my work or suffering because it's a long weekend. So we need more meat to cook just in case a midnight snack. This is my all-time favorite. I'm not cooking in the other grill. I hate that because it was a waste of money. I'm using a original authentic woods. See, it's for free coming from the owner. See, that's what I told you in my first video. Okay, this wood is coming from the tree. You see the arms last summer. Okay, so it's free. The original authentic grill. No money involved. Save a lot. That's my tips to you. If you have a yard, big yard, and there's a plant of tree, so you can start now. Okay. So first thing to do one by one. Okay. No need fire. Nice. No need this fire, only the heat of the charcoal. That's the most important, not the fire. Okay. Sometimes the others they like where there's a fire, but for me, no need. Just only the heat. Okay. That's my style how to cook in grill. Authentic, very authentic. And first and foremost, I'm using a authentic grill because with 2 arms coming from a previous company. They gave to me my boss. It helps for me. Okay? Even I'm using in construction job, as long I'm contented, no matter what. Okay. The second grill now is same thing with a big portion. Okay. That's I like. That's why I like eating. Okay. And using my job for a meal, every lunch. Okay. With complete ingredients. See. So I'm using only the big portion. Okay. The one already mixed. Uh, more than 1 hour marinated. Okay. Okay, this is for the barbecue inside. No one is big. No one is big. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Wow. Yummy. If every day like this, living in Canada, you have an awesome life here. Okay. See, it's nothing. All for the barbecue inside for the kids. Okay. Cover it. This is other episode how to cook barbecue inside your yard using original woods. Okay, so very far, very fast. It's okay. It's the most important. The grill pan is wide. See, that's my style. How to cook a grill pork for my food at work. Okay. Wait a sec. Okay. Nice. It with authentic grill pan before it's ready. Maybe it's almost cook this for my authentic grill pan. Right? See the clouds. Almost, it's like raining. See? So, before we started to do some vlogs about another content. So, we finish this verse. So, how to cook in a grill pan in your backyard to save your money. That's my important, how to save money without using a cylinder tank. See? So that's only my advice to you guys. If you're cooking, make sure not only the ingredients you buy. If it's not necessary to buy some a gas tank or use electricity in the house inside, you have one big oven there, but I'm not using because since we move another house, the one-time payment including power utilities. So if included power utilities, that's the best. You can cook and cook and cook in a grill, big grill in your electric big oven in your house. So I'm using the original and save for your money in your pocket. See, as you can see the heat. There's no fire. Unlike the other told you when I was in Regina eating with my boss. There's a restaurant, Montana's restaurant. Wow, I like it also. Montana is always the best in Regina. How they cook a grill with a burning fire. But me, it's like a Philippine style. Only the heat. So it's not burning totally. It's like slowly but surely how to cook a grill pork barbecue. See, is I buy this Dollarama before when I went to Saudi. I see the other how to cook Monday chicken here in that kind of barbecue grill. See, we can flip it, squeeze it, anything, fish, beef, okay, you can put there. It's nice. Even you work some other projects, just leave for now. Just look it and flip it. It's nice. Unlike the others, if you're using a tank, it's cost of 60 by refilling. So for me, why I use that? Okay. So just wait until we cook. Maybe possible there's a rain or nothing. So just cool. Okay. There's some scattered rain maybe. So no need to be worried. But this other side, left side, it's a clear blue sky. Okay. It's nice. See? Fire. So all you have to do guys, if you're not contented, you can spreading oil with mixing ketchup or something. Okay. It's easy to apply. Okay. Easy to apply. Steady. So you can apply. Ah, so yummy. Every weekends or long weekends, I do this. I buy some ribs sometimes, or for barbecue meat only. So maybe later I will buy again. So let's see, because I like pork so much. Beef is so expensive, and mutton. When I went to Saudi, even camel soup I will eat. Okay. Yes, yummy. Wow. Napainitin, ako palalambutin. From the top to side to bottom. It's nice, right? Flip it again. So it's balanced. Ooh. Nice. Almost done. Yummy. Woo. Okay. So, flip it again. Wow. Nice color. Amazing. Sabi nga nila, Moto Club, PBA Moto Club. Amazing. Yes. So for sure, maybe later at night, I buy some 3 meats or 4 meats. If there's a ribs or chicken. Okay. For another nice color, oh. Wow. Amazing. So yeah, guys. Pak.